Welcome to 8280 Slate Stone Circle. This stunning condo features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and over 3,000 square feet of luxury living. Located in the highly desirable, amenity-rich Whisper Rock community, this welcoming front porch invites you into this upgraded floor plan. Featuring grand double archways and high 9/10-foot ceilings, make a great first impression. Stunning maple flooring and coffer ceilings are featured throughout the first floor. The open floor plan boasts an abundance of windows for great natural lighting and beautiful views of the lush landscaping and water. The kitchen features granite counters, crisp white subway tile backsplash, good-sized pantry kitchen Aide appliances, and a large center island with eat-at seating.